Hello guys, here I am. I'm doing the kusmi soup. It's only a chicken broth. I make it clear and crystal soup. Just only put the carrots, garlic, and
Pepper.
black pepper, and chicken broth, and onion, and also celery. Just make it like this, and then put the white egg together, all the ingredients, the vegetable ingredients. After that, you put inside the chicken broth until it mix like this. Yeah, thank you guys. This is my, but
How
I'm
about the
trying.
time?
This one can cook about 2 hours. Can cook slow cooking until become like this one, crystal soup. Very clear. This one is a chicken flavor. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you.